In this video, we will learn how to create folders in Google Drive on form submission automatically. So I have created a form with file upload field in Jotform form builder, and I want that whenever the form is submitted, the folder should be automatically created in Google Drive and the file should also be saved here in Google Drive. And I am creating this document uploading automation with the Jotform, but in place of Jotform, you can also create this automation with Wufoo, Gravity Form, Elementor Form, Typeform, or any kind of form builder software. If you want to learn how you can create this automation, just follow this video till end. So this is the job application form in which I am having two fields. One is for passport size photo and second one is for the candidate resume. And when people will submit the form, these files will be automatically saved in this particular folder. How? Well, I'm going to create this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an automation and integration software. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach the link in my description box. Now first create your free account from this button and you will also get free task in the free account to test this automation. Now I'm already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in, then click on access now. From here, exactly from the dashboard, we are going to start creating our automation. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Let me maximize it so that you can see the things very clearly. Click on create workflow and provide a random name to your workflow. I am providing Jotform 2 Google Drive automation. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the form is submitted, basically in the Jotform application, save the documents in Google Drive application. That is why in first application, I am going to choose Jotform, and in the action event, basically in the trigger event, I will choose new response, and we are connecting Jotform with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL, and the instruction for the same is already given here. You'll have to copy this webhook URL, go to your form builder software, click on settings and click on integration, and here you will find an option of webhook. Let me show you. And here is the webhook option. Click on edit integration. Well, one webhook URL has been already added here. I'm going to remove the existing one and going to paste the new webhook URL. Click on complete integration and you will see the URL will be added here. Integration is ready. Now it is asking to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So I will open my form. Okay, let me first refresh it and I am going to submit the dummy details here. Okay, and you will see that particular data will be captured here. Let's submit this form. So dummy user is the candidate name, candidate email is admin@pabblytudes.com. Here's the phone number and the passport size photo. Well, I am going to upload a dummy passport size photo, and in the resume also I am going to upload a dummy resume, a sample resume PDF file. Okay, and now I am going to click on submit. Okay, submit application, and you will see as soon as the form will be submitted, the data will capture here because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data, and you can see the response is received. Let me show you the details also. This is the title of the form. All right, this is the name of the user. Here is the email address. Well, the same details which we have submitted in the form. Here is the phone number, and here you can see the image. Okay, and the PDF file, and you can see even we have received the URL which we are going to save to our Google Drive. Okay, we are basically going to create a folder and then we are going to save these files automatically. How? You will have to choose Google Drive as a second application because we want to save the details here only. All right, and in the action event, first I am going to create a new folder. Okay, well, create a subfolder. Why subfolder? Because I have already created one folder, and within this particular folder I want to create one more folder. That is why create a subfolder will be the action event. Click on connect, click on add new connection. If you are connecting your Google Drive for the first time, click on connect with Google Drive, provide the access of that particular account in which you are going to save the documents. I have provided the same. Click on continue and you will see the authorization will be successful, and this is how your Google Drive account will be connected here, and whatever the drive, whatever the folders are available in your account will start visible here. Well, I have just a single folder in my drive, that is why it is showing the single folder. In your case, it will definitely show you the list of all the folders. Now it is asking to provide the name to your subfolder. I can provide the name from the above data, okay, and I don't need to copy this data and paste it here. Read here what it is asking: enter text or map data. When you will click on this field, you will find the insert data from the previous step, and the above data is actually visible here. So how about I give the name to my subfolder as the name of the user, okay, basically the full name of the user. Okay, let me search for the second name. Okay, name, and this is the dummy user. I have provided the name, and here I'm going to provide the phone number so that the file name, basically the folder name, should not be repeated. Okay, and here is the phone number, and this is how I have provided a unique name to my subfolder: dummy user and the phone number. Click on save and send test request, and after clicking on this button you will see a response will be received, and the folder name with the same name will be automatically created. A folder, okay, let me show you, and yes, you can see dummy user, and for now this particular folder is actually vacant. Now we are going to upload the files which we have received from the previous step. Okay, so that is why I'm going to select the Google Drive folder once again. So click on this plus icon one more time, and we are going to select Google Drive one more time, and in the action event we are going to select upload a file action event. Let me show you upload a file. All right, this is the action event. Click on connect, click on existing connection, click on save, and it is asking the URL, basically the public URL, public file URL to be uploaded. Well, from where I will get this URL? Remember, we have actually received this particular data in the Jotform response. Okay, I have even show you clearly. Let me show you. These are the URLs which I would like to save here. So I'm going to map the same from the Jotform response, and here is the URL. Let me show you. Basically the passport size photo I am uploading, and folder ID in which you would like to save this document. I want to save this document in the folder which I have just created from the previous step. That is why I am mapping the ID of the same. Now finally it is asking for the file name, basically the file which you are actually saving. Provide the name of the file. So I'm going to provide the name as photo of candidate, and let's map the name of the person. All right, name, I have searched it directly. Dummy was the name of the user, and again search for the name because I want to map the last name as well. Okay, basically I want to map the full name. I want to provide the full name. All right, photo of candidate dummy user. This is going to be the file name of my file. Click on save and send test request and go to your Google Drive. Open this particular folder and you will see that particular photo has been automatically uploaded with this particular step. And in the same way, we are going to upload the second document as well, and you do not even need to create this step from the scratch. Simply clone this particular step from this button. Click on clone now, and let's first rename this second step which we have cloned, because both the steps have the same name: upload a file, upload a file. Well, this is actually for the upload resume. All right, and the above step was actually for the upload photo. Okay, upload passport size photo. Okay, passport size photo. So I have renamed both the fields, both the steps successfully, so that I do not get confused. Now simply change the fields, basically replace the data. Here, instead of uploading the passport size photo, this time I am going to map the another URL which we have received from the Jotform response. Okay, and here is the second URL which I have mapped it, and the folder, I'm sorry for that, and the folder ID will be the same because I want to save this document in the same folder in which I have saved my passport size photo. Now it is asking for the file name, so I am going to keep the file name as resume of, alright, resume of candidate, and the file name will be the same. Alright, click on save and send test request, and you will see that this resume will be also uploaded. And let me show you the drive, and yes, the resume has been uploaded automatically with the help of this automation. And now onwards, whenever someone is going to submit the form, the folder will be automatically created and the files will be saved automatically in this particular folder. Let me even test this particular automation. Okay, going to refresh this, and I'm going to fill this form once again with a new details here. So this time another user is filling out the form, and the name of the person is test user. The email is desk@pabblytudes.com. Here's the phone number, here's the passport size photo, the resume. Click on submit application, and I will wait for the folder to be created. And yes, the folder has been created immediately. Test user and the name, basically the number of the user. Let's open, and you can see photo of candidate and resume, both the things have been uploaded automatically with the help of this automation. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close this automation, because now onwards, whenever someone is going to fill this form, the documents will be uploaded automatically in Google Drive. And I'm also going to attach the link of my workflow which I have created in front of you in my description box. This is the shareable workflow link via which you can directly clone this whole setup into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.